Welcome to RJ Engineering and Construction, your trusted partner for all your construction needs. We specialize in designing, creating, and building, ensuring your vision comes to life with precision and expertise. From initial design to final construction and even raw material supply, we offer a comprehensive range of services. Our expert team meticulously plans every detail, transforming concepts into actionable blueprints. We manage the entire construction process, from groundbreaking to the finishing touches, ensuring seamless execution. We also provide high-quality raw materials, ensuring that every component of your project meets the highest standards. With RJ Engineering and Construction, you choose reliability, quality, and a partner dedicated to your success. Our team brings years of experience and unparalleled expertise to every project, no matter the scale. We are committed to delivering exceptional quality, ensuring every structure we build stands the test of time. We foster strong, reliable partnerships with our clients, built on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. Ready to start your next project? Get in touch with us today. You can reach us directly at +917,257,893,905. Alternatively, feel free to call us at +919,625,376,097. Let RJ Engineering and Construction help you build a solid future. Contact us today.